Let's find out if you should actually buy a 60% wireless mechanical keyboard. Guys, as you all know by now, I'm the Revenge's Hammer, and let's get straight into it. Firstly, the unboxing. As you can see, it's quite bare bones. You simply get the keyboard, you get the Wi-Fi dongle, you get a USB-C cable, and that's it. Nothing to complain about. That's what you're buying, that's what you get, as well as some literature. Let's talk about the look and feel of this mechanical keyboard. Firstly, as you all know, it's a 60% keyboard, meaning it's quite condensed, a lot smaller. First complaint is that your wrists actually hurt. Conventionally, you might be used to them being spaced a certain way, but right now they have to come closer and your wrists have to turn in order to press all the keys. It's not a total no-go, simply because muscle memory will kick in, and after a day or two's usage out of it, it becomes more natural, and then the second you hop onto this keyboard from another keyboard, you simply just run with it. These, as I've mentioned, are in fact mechanical switches. These are the Jixian blue. Yes, you heard me correct, Jixian. Not to be confused with one of these higher end switches. The keyboard itself has 63 keys. Yes, so this keyboard is rated for 50 million clicks, and by my calculation that should last the average person 10 years, give or take. The keys themselves are LED backlit. As you can see, there are many types of combinations. The keyboard itself has a 1200 milliampere battery. Using the backlight, you should get a full day's use out of this, at least 8 hours. Assuming the backlights are on their maximum brightness and constantly on, it's 8 hours. If you don't use the LEDs at all, you should get upwards of 80 hours of usage. So it's quite a variance. Just keep in mind that it in fact can be recharged via USB-C. So it's not the end of the world. At the end of the day, you just charge it. Obviously, I've not factory tested the 50 million mark, but it's a believable figure. Next, with regards to connectivity, there are 5 ways in which you can connect. First way is obviously the old faithful USB-C connection. Then obviously the keyboard will run indefinitely. If you use the Wi-Fi dongle that's included, the 2.4 gigahertz dongle, you can connect to one device. You simply go between function and the Wi-Fi command. So USB-C cable, Wi-Fi dongle, as well as 3 different Bluetooth devices. So that's 5 in total. The keyboard itself will remember the previous connection method. So if you stick to the Wi-Fi dongle, every time you power it on and off, as you can see, there is a on and off button. When it's off, keys won't work. Switch it on, and as you can see, the keys are on. It is compatible with Mac OS, Windows, and iOS. In terms of looks, it's fantastic. It's obviously for the minimalist, someone who wants a clean and sleek desktop like I do. No cables, no wires, simply dock my keyboard in, have my wireless mouse connected, pull them out when I want to use them, and bam, good to go. I also love that it has RGBs as well as so many customizable RGB configurations. So for me personally, it's a win. I'm going to try my best to link this exact keyboard with all my other tech, modify them, and try to get them into the true Revenge's Hammer fashion. So as you can see, it's a standard keyboard. I put in some carbon fiber stickers on here, carbon fiber wrap, as well as some Avenger stickers. As you can see, this is Thor, carbon wrap on tech for the win. Thank you so much for watching. I'm the Revenge's Hammer. New videos coming soon. All the best. Peace out, A-Town.